Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 25 from 1.1 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we're given a function 3x squared minus x plus 2, and we're also to find f of 2 and so on. So with each of these we're just going to replace wherever we see x with each of the terms which are in the brackets. So with any other function or any other case, if you're asked to find f of whatever this is, in place of the variable which the function is based on, you're just going to substitute whatever's in there. So starting with f of 2, since this is our function, in place of x, we're going to substitute 2. And you can work this out. This is 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 minus 2, that's 10. Then 10 plus 2 is 12. So that's the first one. In the second one, you're going to do the exact same thing. In place of x, we're just going to substitute minus 2. So the negative is just from the formula itself, and the other negative is from what we're substituting, so minus 2. So this is 4 once again multiplied by 3, that's 12, but this becomes a plus, so 12 plus 2, that's 14, plus 2 again, that's 16. The next one is f of a. In place of x, we're going to substitute a. And we just have 3a squared minus a plus 2. Next one is f of negative a. Going to have, so this is a squared, so 3a squared plus a plus 2. Next one is f of a plus 1. In place of x, just going to substitute a plus 1. And if you work this out, you're going to have 3a squared plus 2a plus 1 minus a minus 1 plus 2. Now you just have to multiply through, so you're going to have 3a squared plus 6a plus 3 minus a and plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is just plus 1. Then we're going to add like terms, which will lead us to 3a squared plus 6a. So 6a minus a would be 5a. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. And that is your final answer for f of a plus 1. Let's just come back up and erase some of these so you can have space and always reference the formula. So the next one is 2f of a. And in this case, where you have a number outside, it's just going to multiply everything. So remember that your f of x is y, or it's the whole function, or the output of the function. And if you're going to multiply 2 with the function, it multiplies the whole function. But also, we have this substitution here of a. So we're going to multiply the whole function, and in the function, we're going to substitute a in place of x. So the result would be, so in here, let's deal with the bracket first, just 3a squared minus a plus 2. And if you multiply all of that by 2, you have 6a squared minus 2a plus 4. That is your answer for that one. Moving on to f of 2a. So once again, in place of x, you're just going to substitute 2a. So 2a squared minus 2a plus 2. You're going to have, so this is 4a squared. Multiplied by 3, that's 12a squared minus 2a plus 2. That is your final answer.